Good afternoon. Thank you for joining and welcome to our investor seminar, Renewed Ambition to Accelerate Sustainable Growth. I'm John Howarth, Group Head of Investor Relations for QinetiQ. The session will be led by Steve Wadey, Group CEO, David Smith, Group CFO, and 3 members of our global leadership team, as Steve will shortly introduce. Your videos have been automatically disabled and your audio is muted. There will be plenty of opportunity for Q&A throughout the seminar, after each of the 3 topics and at the end of the presentation. In order to ask your question, we ask that you use the raise hand feature. I will then take you off mute to ask your question. Before I hand over to Steve, we will start the seminar with a short video that demonstrates the breadth of our capabilities and our value proposition. Thank you.
Good afternoon and welcome to our 3rd investor seminar. In 2016, I launched our vision-based strategy to reverse decline and drive growth by focusing on our customers' needs and our competitiveness. I'm really pleased to say that we are on track to deliver our 5th year of growth. Building on this success and reflecting on the impact of COVID-19, I was delighted to announce at our half-year results our renewed ambition and evolved strategy. Today, we'll be talking to you about 3 key enablers that are integral to this ambition and strategy to accelerate our next phase of sustainable growth. So the agenda for today's investor seminar is as follows. Following a short introduction from myself, I have chosen 3 subjects to strengthen your understanding of the investment case in QinetiQ. First, we'll look at our US growth strategy, our largest market opportunity. Then we'll look at digital test and evaluation, our newest investment. And third, we'll look at our environmental, social, and governance responsibility, fundamental to how we do business. Finally, we'll draw the presentation together with a financial summary of how we are growing sustainably and profitably to drive shareholder returns. The presentation will take just under 2.5 hours, with opportunities to stop and take questions after each subject, and then again at the end. At our half-year results in November, I set out our new ambition and evolved strategy to accelerate our global growth. Since launching our vision-based strategy at the start of FY16, we have delivered strong operational performance, as shown from the left of this slide to the middle, growing our revenue by 60%, increasing the share of international revenue from 21% to to 35%, growing operating profit by 28%, and doubling our order book to just over £3.1 billion. Our ambition, moving from the middle to the right of this slide, is to accelerate our growth trajectory to FY26 and beyond by building an integrated global defence and security company, a company with a clear purpose, protecting lives, defending sovereign capability, and securing the vital interests of our customers. A company that is renowned for delivering mission-led innovation in our 6 home and priority countries, with international revenues of more than 50%. A company with major presence in the United Kingdom, United States, and Australia, making a difference to global and national security. The scale of our ambition, as shown on the right, is to grow by at least 60% over the next 5 years, with mid-single-digit organic revenue growth complemented by strategy-led acquisitions. Based on this new ambition and growing our maturity, we'll continue to convert revenue growth into sustainable, profitable growth at stable margins of between 12 to 13% in the medium to long term, thereby enhancing returns to shareholders. To deliver this ambition, our evolved strategy provides even greater focus for our business decisions and our investment choices. We have a clear customer value proposition that we call mission-led innovation, co-creating efficient solutions to meet our customers' needs across the capability lifecycle at pace, known as create it, test it, and use it. We also have a clear focus on where, what, and how we deliver value for our customers. Where? Building an integrated defence and security company through global leverage of our unique skills and capabilities into our 6 home and priority countries. Our largest market opportunity is in the United States. What? Sharpening our focus on co-creating and delivering distinctive offerings that add value to our customers, differentiated from our competitors. How? Applying disruptive innovation to accelerate solutions for our customers with greater agility and pace. Our newest investment is in digital test and evaluation. The foundation of our strategy is our high-performance, inclusive culture, where we live by simple values and behaviours and adhere to the highest environmental, social, and governance standards. As you can see, our subjects for today, US growth, digital T&E, and ESG, are integral to our growth strategy. So let me now say a few words on each of these subjects. Our largest market opportunity is in the US, where our strategy is to double our revenues to more than $600 million per annum over the next 5 years. Following the acquisition of MTech, a new governance model, and new leadership team, our objective is to build a disruptive mid-tier defence business, a leader of advanced sensing, robotics, and autonomy in the largest defence and security market in the world, adding value to the US warfighter. We'll achieve this through organic growth with complementary strategy-led acquisitions. To ensure we are even more relevant to the changing character of warfare and stay ahead for our customers' advantage, one important area of our digital transformation program is our investment in digital T&E to enable the rapid development of next-generation products and services. This investment will expand our strong physical offerings into the virtual world to add greater value and pace to our customers and enable our future growth. Throughout the company, including at board level, we take our environmental, social, and governance responsibilities seriously and adhere to the highest standards. ESG is an integral part of our growth strategy and runs through everything we do. We're committed to delivering responsibly, sustainably, and for the benefit of all our stakeholders, customers, employees, and shareholders. Whilst not a complete list, these three enablers are fundamental to my long-term ambition, growing an integrated global company at stable margins to deliver enhanced returns to our shareholders. Let me introduce three members of my global leadership team that will be leading the presentation this afternoon. Firstly, we have Mary Williams, who joined QinetiQ in 2019 following the acquisition of MTech. Mary is the president of our US business. We then have Nick Anderson, who joined QinetiQ in 2018. Nick is the group managing director for our air and space business, and also the leader of our digital transformation of test and evaluation. And also we have Ian Beresford, who joined QinetiQ in 2006. Ian is the group functional director for our technical function, and also the leader of our environmental responsibility as part of our group-wide ESG agenda. Then finally, David Smith, our CFO, who you know well. David will lead us through our financial summary at the end of the presentation. This is an excellent team to lead you through these subjects today. I hope you enjoy the presentation, and I look forward to some lively questions. Thank you, and over to you, Mary.